Fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 18th day of August. In the wake of Claudette, a very soupy air mass stays in place, and looks like the weather will be a bit unsettled here for the rest of this week, but the weekend looking pretty good. Let's take a look at some of the shots around the network this morning at 5 a.m. The lights there reflecting off the Tennessee River as seen from the sky came up in Decatur in Morgan County. Not too far away in Huntsville. How many people are out there? One car at 5 o'clock on Memorial Parkway. That'll change soon. And from Tuscaloosa, that's looking off toward the Hugh Thomas Bridge from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Well, there's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. Trough beginning to evolve nicely to the north of us, and that will be a big player as the week rolls along. In the meantime, just a lot of moisture across the deep south in the wake of Tropical Storm Claudette that was basically a non-event yesterday. Radar at 4:55. A little light rain up in northwest Alabama, raining in Fayette, Hubbardsville, Eldridge, Kansas, Poplar Springs. And elsewhere, nothing happening, but that's the kind of air mass we have. There could be a little light rain at almost any time. No severe weather expected today. The slight risk is well to the west of here. Tomorrow, slight risk from near Oklahoma City to Chicago and Indianapolis. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a slight risk from near Paris, Texas to Detroit. And that's almost on the northwest corner of the state. And day 4, there's no formal outlook on Friday, but there could be a few strong storms with a cold front dropping down this way. Expected rain for the next 5 days. That looks pretty wet, doesn't it? This is suggesting rain amounts of 2 to 3 inches for much of the state. And we could very well see a lot more rain in coming days than what we had yesterday with Claudette passing through. And again, we think the showers and storms could be most active on Friday with that front. And the tropics are calming down. Ana dissipated yesterday right on top of Hispaniola, and that thing just is famous for tearing even organized systems apart. So it didn't have much of a chance, and Bill is out in the Atlantic. Bill looks really good. There's a satellite shot. You can see the wave that the former Ana. And then off in the right, Bill, really nice, symmetrical, nice outflow, excellent banding features. Good thing, Bill is going to be turning north before reaching the islands. There's the model tracks. Very good agreement there. Intensity forecast to Bill. Most of the models bring that thing up to Category 4 strength, major hurricane. And there's the official track from the Hurricane Center. On that track, it would pass a little west of Bermuda during the day Saturday. But they'll have to keep a very vigilant eye on that small island off in the Atlantic. But you can see the north turn, and that will be recurving before reaching the U.S., but that will be close enough, being a major hurricane, to produce big swells on the east coast of the United States. It'll be pretty rough on the Outer Banks. Modeling, this is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. We've got a flat ridge down here, and down below there's that soupy air. And that means at least scattered showers, maybe numerous at times, and that'll be the theme for the rest of the week. There's tomorrow and Thursday. And look at Friday, big trough, anomalous trough for this time of the year, pushing down over the east with a big ridge out west. And down below that, the cold front is nearing Memphis at midday. And that could be a pretty wet, stormy day right there if this works out. And there's Bill off in the right-hand part of the screen. The Saturday Bill is moving towards the northwest. The cold front is near Montgomery at midday Saturday. We're going to be bold and daring and forecast a mostly sunny day Saturday with no chance of rain for the northern half of the state. Sunday, Bill is making the turn northeast, offshore. All of Alabama, except maybe that far southern tip, is in dry air. We think everybody will be sunny on Sunday. Low humidity, a nice cool morning. We'll be down around 60. The cooler valleys reaching the 50s. That will be a nice preview of fall. And Monday of next week, same deal, very dry air. And Tuesday, the moisture tries to come back, but even that day looks mostly dry. We'll peek at the end of the forecast, the 2nd of September. While the core of the westerlies are up in Canada, we do note, again, a trough over the east. And down below that, temperatures should be pretty close to average as we get into the month of September. That's meteorological fall. And a lot of fall weather fans are around here, including me. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. If you're local to us, that's ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.